I think I like most traffic jam.
জি,
Jalsha.
তোমায় ছাড়া ঘুম আসি না
Zee Bangla.
Tell me your full name.
My name is Shofiqul Islam Sejan. My friends and family member call Sejan. You also feel free. You call me Sejan.
Where are you from, Mr. Sejan?
I'm from Madhepur, which is the most beautiful and economical important district of Bangladesh. I am brought and born here in my childhood. It's
Okay.
been here.
And where do you live now?
Right now I'm living in Dhaka.
What do you like the most about Dhaka?
I think I like most traffic jam in Dhaka city.
This is really unexpected answer from you. Well, what is Dhaka famous for?
I think I'm a foodie lover boy. Then Dhaka is famous for food,
Famous
as
for
like
food.
Puran Dhaka kachi, biryani. It's very popular in our country.
What do you usually have for lunch every day?
Biryani some days, and most of the time I eat rice, fish, and chicken.
How do you stay healthy?
Most of the time I follow my daily routine,
Okay.
as like I am every day go to gym.
Okay.
I maintain my eating side or diet.
Okay. Let's talk about what's your favorite hobby and why?
Okay, my favorite hobby is fishing. Sometime I will go with my friend to catch fish in the river and pond.
What do you like to do when you feel stressed or sad?
When I'm sad, most of the time I see our Booth FM by RJ Russell.
Which TV program is the most popular in your country?
I think each and every family's people are see the Zee Bangla or Star Jalsha.
Do you think children should watch television or not?
Right now, this generation children are not see the TV or watching movie or cartoon. They're busy to playing game. It's so addictive the children.
What's your
person.
dream job?
My dream job is as a good programmer or good electrical engineer.
Do you have a best friend?
Yeah, I have two best friends. First one is Akash. She's a very humble and polite person. And other one is Jivan. She is a very funny boy. Most of the time I spend with.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Coding by CS.
Do you have a favorite writer?
Yeah, my favorite writer is John Lincoln.
John Lincoln.
He's a good programmer.
What is the best gift you have ever got in your life?
I think my mother is best gift for my life.
Do you like reading newspaper?
Yes, I like to read newspaper. Most of the time I read BBC newspaper. It's a very important for our speaking or listening journey. Sometimes I listen the BBC broadcast.
What do you think? Success is the key to happiness or happiness is the key to success?
I think both are important for our life.